You guys, let's do one more research method for us to talk about here. You guys go ahead and type in chat right now. Type the name of a product you use. It doesn't have to be tech. It can be whatever you want it to be. Type the name of a product you use, and I will research it for you right now on the stream to demonstrate one last time how you can use Tubebuddy to research it, how you can make a video about it, and then how you can link out to it on Amazon to make this Amazon commission. I'm going to do this live for a lucky viewer who's live right now, just to repeat the process for you guys one more time so you guys can check it out, just to fully understand how this process works all the way through. All right, so you guys go ahead and do that. Type in the name of a product that you use that is available on Amazon, which is basically every product. I'll type it in right now, and we'll do this together, and I'll research it and show you how any of you guys can use this method and hopefully potentially generate some more revenue if it works. Funko Pops, says Nate live. All right, Funko Pops it is. All right, here we go. Funko Pops is the name of the product. Okay, Funko Pop. We'll go with Funko Pop on Amazon. Hey, here's some Funko Pop stuff. Great. So as you can see, every product is available on Amazon. And guess what? When we link out with this strategy to even these figurines, we will be making commission off the sales of them. So let's just take the child from The Mandalorian as an example product. And you guys can use this strategy for anything that you want. But we'll use the child in a bag. There's child in a bag is a product that's out there. So Funko Pop is the key term that we're going to be using. So if we wanted to link out to this particular Funko Pop, we get the link from our Amazon Associates Stripe bar. I'll type it in right here just so you guys can follow along. Funko Pop. I'll link it in chat so you can kind of see the way that Amazon links. See the link I just put in chat there? That's an Amazon Associates link that I just pulled right here live from Amazon dashboard, and it will track all of the sales for anybody that clicks that, okay? And then we're gonna go back to YouTube, guys. You guys are starting to understand this method, right? We're gonna go back to YouTube. We're gonna use Tubebuddy. I've got a link in the description below if you want a trial to get 30 days free of Tubebuddy. We're gonna use the keyword Explorer, and we're gonna search for, oops, not the link. We're gonna search for Funko Pop. Funko Pop. Hit Explore. This is the last time I'm gonna do this on the stream. All right? And as you can see, ooh, yikes. Funko Pop is a highly competitive term with very poor rating. But as you can see, wow, is there a lot of search. 29 million searches for this particular topic. 29 million searches per month for this particular topic. This is a huge pie. If you get just a teensy tiny sliver of the search for this particular topic, guys, you could make an insane amount of money by referring Amazon Associates sales. So this particular product that we found was the Funko Pop Grogu, right? So let's see if we can dive a little bit deeper on this since we know the name of the product, Funko Pop Grogu. How do you spell it? Grogu? Is that how you do it? Is that how you spell his name properly? Let me know if I'm incorrect on that. I'm pretty sure. And as you can see, this particular topic had a slightly better score than the main topic. But most likely there's not that many people searching for this particular niche. But if you made a video about Funko Pop Grogu, you may be able to bust through. And one thing you can do is click the results here and see how much competition there is for this topic. As you can see, there's not much competition and their thumbnails are god awful. And so if you made a quick video about this, you could probably, with a good thumbnail and a good title and good metadata, get the #1 search result for Funko Pop Grogu. So anyone that's searching for what the product actually looks like, wanting some sort of review, wanting an honest take on the quality of the product, maybe comparing it to other Funko Pops, then you could easily look at this garbage competition over here. No offense to these YouTubers, but look at this terrible competition over here. Look at these god awful thumbnails that are just unbearable to look at. If you just made a somewhat tight thumbnail with even if you just took this image, just this white image of the Grogu child in a bag, and you put it right here as your thumbnail on YouTube, that would crush all these competitors and you would get more clicks, and you could probably get the #1 search result on YouTube and maybe even Google video for this particular product and get all the commissions off that Funko Pop. Seriously, guys, do you see how simple this is? I'm not saying it's easy. You still have to put in the work. You still have to do the research. You still have to sign up for Amazon Associates. You still have to make the video and release it and do the thumbnail and the title and all that stuff. But it is simple, right? You find products you like and you use. You research them using Tubebuddy. You go grab the link on Amazon. You make a video about it and release it and link the Amazon link below. It's really that simple, guys. That's the process. I wanted to show this to you because 2021 and 2020 have been tough financially for a lot of people. And if you're looking to make supplementary income, this is how I'm doing it. I can't guarantee this is going to work as well as it did for me. Maybe it works better for you. I don't know. But what I can tell you is that I have, in my experience, repeated this process over and over and over again, and I will continue to repeat it into the future. Let me just show you another part of my plan and what I'm doing this year so you can show that I'm not just talking about it, I'm doing it. Look, I showed you earlier the Stream Deck videos I'm making, right? I'm linking out Amazon Associates on all of these Stream Deck videos. I also have gone back and I'm revisiting old products that I recommended on my channel in the past, including, as you can see, the Logitech C920, doing tutorial videos on how to use the C920 and linking out to Amazon Associates links with those. Pretty cool, right? So as you can see, I'm implementing this strategy with the videos I'm releasing on my channel right now. Going back, doing tutorial videos, doing review videos, and doing other content on products I recommend and I use for viewers to do. Let me just show you another example here of me doing this. Let me go down. I think I did a series of videos on the Logitech C920 here a bit ago. I'm going to show those to you. I just want to show you I'm actually doing this strategy in real time, and I continue to do it. It's not just in the past. So take a look at this one. I made a tutorial video on how to add a microphone in OBS, and in this video, I recommended a couple microphones. You see how simple it is? You can integrate into the content you're already making recommendations for your audience. If you're making a how to get better FPS in a game or how to have better aim in a game, why not do a video where you say, look, I just taught you the methods of how to use your mouse and keyboard more effectively in a game, just as an example. But the mouse I use is this mouse. The mouse pad I use is this mouse pad. And the monitor I'm using is this high refresh monitor. Links in the description below to those, blah, blah, blah. You get it? You can integrate naturally into your content the things that you use in your life, the products that you use every day that you truly recommend, that you honestly love and use every day, and you can make supplementary income off of those. Ask me your questions in the comments there, and I'm happy to make tutorial videos on all of that stuff, teaching you everything there is to know about Amazon Associates. I just linked in chat for you guys my Amazon shop. If you guys want to just get inspiration on the types of things you can do, this shop right here, the types of things that you can do to really build out product recommendations on your shop. Here's mine, and just take my strategy and run with it. I'm not trying to hide this strategy. I'm trying to teach you guys my strategy. Just take my ideas, use them for yourself. It's free information. This podcast is completely free. Take this information and run with it. I don't care if you copy my strategy. Go for it. I hope it works for you. I seriously do. All right. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope you guys have a fantastic 2021. And if you want me to teach you more about practical ways to make money on the internet like this, I'll show you how I'm doing it. And if you guys can use these techniques and you can make your own money, then hell yeah. Let's do it together, all right? See you in the next one, creators. Adios. And apply for Amazon Associates. Just a second, gaming creators. I just wanted to let you know about our Gaming Creator Bundle Sweepstakes. This is the biggest giveaway I've ever done. It's $1,100 in gear for gaming creators, including this microphone, shock mount stand. If you like the sound you hear right now, you could sound this good in all of your live streams and videos using this Rode package that they hooked us up with. Let me just show it to you. There's a link in the description below if you want to enter this sweepstakes. It includes this audio gear you see here, plus the super high-end Rodecaster Pro mixer, plus our friends over at Tubebuddy threw in a Tubebuddy Legend license, and our friends at Restream threw in a Restream license if you want to stream to multiple platforms at the same time. This is gear and software I use to grow my channels and to help my clients, and gear that I recommend all the time. And it's freaking free to enter to win this. Link in the description below. I wish you the best of luck. I hope you get this gear, and at the very least, enter to win. At least you have a shot to pick it up at a cost of $0. Why not enter? Link below. Good luck, gaming creators.